Okay, Korea is around the corner. Let me prepare you for the best of your capabilities. Now, first thing you want to do before any event, not just this one, it's your conference goal. How much money, leads, prospects, deals do I want to bring in from this conference? Usually I aim for myself to bring around 150 leads from a conference. Then you just need to split it up by days. Let's say if you are going to be in Korea for 5 days, you need to bring in home 30 leads, which means that every day I'm checking with myself. If I'm attending 5 side events, then I need to bring, how much? 6 leads from each event, which is pretty doable. By splitting your main goal into smaller chunks will help you stay on track. Always do this. Besides that, of course, focus on side events. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go through Korea side events and we're gonna talk about good ones, bad ones, which ones you should go to, which ones are absolute must-haves and which one you can avoid. If you want to sign up for all those side events automatically, definitely check out Enrich.io or just message me on Telegram at Nickmel because we have built a bot that allows you to sign up you for everything. And it's available for everybody that works with Enrich. So it's very easy and very convenient. I'll show you my schedule for that I had in ECC. Like it's absolutely, it's madness. It took me like 15 minutes to sign up for like 150 something side events. It's okay to go to multiple side events at the same day. And it's okay to switch side events. It's okay to mix up your plans. You went for one side event, you thought it was going to be great. It appeared that it's not. It's fine. You don't need to worry about that. You can just split it up, go home or go to another side event and have fun. Check out different communities. So maybe some of your friends, partners or leads that you will find in the communities. And you can also go and say, hey, I found that you're going to XYZ. Let's talk about meeting in Korea. You can also type in KBW in Telegram just to filter for people that have this listed in their name. So you can, again, message friends, message prospects, message people that you have chatted in the past. This will gonna give you a conversation opener. You can also send an automated, or if you want to do it, you can do manual campaign in group chats with different partners, clients, prospects, churned clients, to tell them, hey, you know, we're gonna be in Singapore, we're gonna be in Korea Blockchain Week during Korea at these days, let's talk. Very simple, very straightforward, works all the time, helps you to build some momentum and then reconnect with the people. Last one, but not the least, we will have 4,000 people going for Korea and for Token 2049. It's names, Telegrams, LinkedIn's, companies, funding, founders, Pretty, Postage, investors, infrastructure partners, security partners, projects needing infrastructure, market making, security services. So you can just find them in Enrich. If you want to see your leads for your next event, just message me in Telegram and we can get you started with those leads. And the last one is just to wait for the next, I think it's going to be on Thursday, so just wait 2 days. There's going to be a video where I'm analyzing every side event, going through them. This video is just to really get you the basics, foundation to help you make the most out of your event and bring home the most amount of leads. So then you can close them, make some money for yourself and make some money for the company and your family. Thank you guys for attention. If you like this video, send it to your friend. Don't be shy. Send it in the groups, send it to the company, to the other people that may be going to an event but you're not going this time. And looking forward to meeting you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.